Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix transfer failed when adding money to Cash App issue on iPhone. So guys, Cash App has become one of the most popular mobile payment apps, allowing users to send and receive money easily. However, users sometimes encounter issue with the app such as transfer failure. Cash App transfer failure issue can be frustrating, especially when you are trying to make an important payment or transfer. So today in this video, we will discuss common reason for Cash App transfer failure and provide solution to help you fix the problem. So our step number 1 is first restart your iPhone. Another quick fix to Cash App error is to restart your iPhone. In most cases, restarting the device could eradicate random bugs causing in your iPhone, which might cover Cash App issues also. For restarting your iPhone, first you have to go to your settings, go back, then go to General and scroll down and tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. So guys, after applying this restart method, if you are still facing the same issue of transfer failed, then check your internet connection. If your internet connection is weak or unsuitable, it can cause a transfer failure when adding money to Cash App. To fix this issue, have a strong and stable internet connection. You can also try turning off and on aeroplane mode or restarting your iPhone to refresh your connection. After checking your connection, check your bank account balance. Another reason for transfer failure when adding money to Cash App is inefficient funds in your bank account. Insecure you have enough fund in your bank account before adding money to Cash App. Then our step number 4 is your account. Verify your account. You may need to verify So guys, you may need to verify your account before adding money if you are a new Cash App user. To do this, go to your profile and follow the steps to verify your account. And then our last step is update the Cash App. Insecure you Insecure you have your iPhone latest version of Cash App. If you don't have the latest version, update the app and try sending money again. And then our last step and the final step is reset all settings. For reset all settings, first you have to go to your settings, then scroll down and tap on General. Again scroll down, tap on Shutdown. No, sorry, tap on Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Tap on Reset all settings. Enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.